Hello everyone, I am Vibhu Bhatnagar and today I am going to show my project Do's and Don'ts during natural disasters. India has been vulnerable in varying degrees to a large number of natural as well as human-made disasters on account of its unique geoclimatic and socio-economic conditions. India is one of the 10 most disaster-prone countries of the world. The country is prone to disaster due to number of factors, both natural and human included. Volcanic eruptions. During a volcanic eruptions, we should wear goggles to protect our eyes from the harmful heat waves and we should avoid low-lying areas as well. Earthquake. If we are outdoors during the time of an earthquake, we should move to an open area away from all the structures, especially bridges and buildings, because the buildings might fall during the time of the shaking. If we are inside of the house, then we should duck, cover and hold and hide under the firm furniture to protect ourselves. Do not exit the buildings during the time of shaking. Forest fire. The forest fire is caused by climatic change. Do not be scared when a sudden fire occurs in the forest and don't leave the burning wood and sticks in or near the forest. Discourage the community to use the slash and burn method to protect yourself from the forest fires. Flood. Turn off the main electricity power supply. Do not use electrical appliances which have been in the flood water and do not get in the water of unknown depths and current during the flood. Drought. Never put the water down drain. Use it to water to your indoor plants and install irrigation devices like the drip irrigation method, rainwater harvesting and micro drip irrigation. Consider implementing rainwater harvesting wherever it is possible. Be friendly with the nature and disasters will not occur in the future. Thank you.